Hi, welcome. This is leisure time for me. Somebody on Discord posted the question: can I go from ArcoLinux to ArcoLinux? Well, first of all, ArcoLinux is ArcoLinux for 90%. So it does give us a wonderful what if. What if you wanted to get rid of anything ArcoLinux related on this particular ArcoLinux ISO flagship XFC OpenBox i3? Now I'm gonna restrict myself to XFC as OpenBox needs a configuration, i3 needs a configuration, so without a config it will be very difficult to see anything. But in a desktop like XFC, that's pretty simple. Ctrl-Alt-E, the first thing I would do if I wanted really to get rid of anything ArcoLinux is first pacman. Pacman is where you say the packages are coming from. Don't want to see any packages of ArcoLinux, then that's already done with that tweak tool. What did we change? This is just for us fun, of course. This is just a question, it's just learning, right? It's not what we generally recommend, of course not. But fun, let's do it. Everything that's from ArcoLinux has a hashtag, meaning you won't see any update anymore for any of our packages. Now, how do I get rid of all the packages on ArcoLinux? And I would like, and that's of course what I'm trying to do, to achieve maybe, is that the fact that these guys are all gone, so the ArcoLinux things are gone. Now, it could have been simpler. I could have first got rid of the packages and then got rid of pacman. So I'm gonna put it back on. This is really playing, right? Well, not that one. So if it's back on and I let it reload everything, then we do have the repositories, and let's click a bit, right? Remove anything ArcoLinux. I wonder what kind of errors we'll see. Because, well, there are always dependencies in packages and all that. So I wonder if at all is possible. And I hope to get to an XFC that really looks like ArcoLinux, aka not that nice. Oops, that's always the problem. You need to click right on the button, in the bottom as well, yeah. remove. Let's try again already, because I'm not sure this is gonna work at all. Again, guys, this is just for fun that we do this, just for teaching, for learning. That's it, nothing more. Do not recommend you do this. This is VirtualBox, who cares, right? Learn. What's happening? Okay, there it is. Target not found. Okay, sure. Let's start and reload this thing. See what else I still have. So repo, that's done. Third party, okay. All packages out. It's gonna be faster than a sudo pacman -r and all the rest. And this is still graphical, so anybody can click. Let's do already an apply. There we have some problems. Warnings, but warnings are okay. With warnings, I don't care. Conflicts or cannot do things. Now that's a problem, right? I wonder if I need to launch again, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So you just slide ahead in the YouTube video till the end, but I need to remove all of these. Ay, missed it again. Almost there. No, not close, not close. Remove. Yes, apply. everything gone. Those are the details. Oh, my icons are gone. What's this? Access denied. All right, Manjaro. Ooh, I probably deleted Manjaro at this point in time. Might be true. Let's see. Quit. Ooh, nice icons. Yep. Bamek is gone. Bamek AOR is gone. Let's go shopping. Okay. That's still working, is it? Yeah, you're working. So, the rest, that needs to go. Maybe what's interesting, since I want you to really understand an operating system, right? But it's interesting to know that etc scal is almost empty and you still see some stuff in here. So why is that stuff in there? The config, auto start, polybar stuff, rofi stuff. So let's see what's still on there. Sudo pacman minus remove. I just deleted Bamek. ArcoLinux. No Arco things. Well, let's reboot. That's strange. Let's reboot. We've done so many things to the machine that we actually want to have a new boot. My Grub is gone. I killed my Vimix. So no color for you. This is the standard ArcoLinux Grub. That's what we wanted. Back to Arch. Arrow is gone. Still have an icon here. That's nice. But all the rest is, well, something else. Let's change to appearance. So this is still Arch theme is still okay. Icons, breeze. Yeah, let's take breeze maybe. Close. In any case, it's better than the other one was. And then Control T. That's still gonna work. F12. That's still gonna work. Okay. Sudo pacman minus pacman minus R. Anything Arco related. There's nothing more Arco in there. But I did find stuff in etc scal. That's a bit strange. etc scal. So still things in here. Why are these guys in here? Something must have something must have not right. This is user share. This is coming from the XFCE panel profiles. These guys are coming from applications that I have uninstalled that are no longer there, and still they are here. Okay. What should I do? Well, the simplest thing would be sudo remove these guys, but I wonder why he did not remove those guys. That's what's bothering me. Let's get this guy back in. Haha, yay is even removed. Okay, cool. Yays indeed, not ArcoLinux. So no yay, no Trizon for you. That's for sure. Control Alt E. I don't have the ArcoLinux tweak tool anymore. That's cool as well. That's how it should be. So I think the best thing indeed would be just to remove these guys. Since let's do a Control Alt T. Okay, so let's now go into pacman, and everything that's related to ArcoLinux and that starts from here needs to go. Delete. And at this point in time we have just an ArcoLinux system. Nothing is there. If I do some more cleaning. Probably this was not a question on Discord, but it triggered something in my mind to say, okay, what if, right? What if we do this? Okay. That's okay. Update. So this is what you need. This is ArcoLinux. Core, extra, community, multilib, that's it. Nothing more. Fine. And then open terminal here. A command you should know. Sudo remove recursively, so means look in the folder and delete there as well. With force if it's needed. I don't think it's needed. And then where are we? First take a look where we are. Present working directory. We are on etc.scal.config. Okay, so we can go one level up. Where are we now? We are now in etc.scal. ls, well, ll, but ll is working, good. So we need to get rid of all these things. And these things is one level up. This need to go, all of it. So sudo remove recursively with force if needed. If it doesn't work, well, with force then, right? And anything that's in there needs to go. So nothing is in here anymore. So that's a clean installation. I am gonna check etc pacman.d. This is not our mirror list, so that's cool. That's the mirror list for, do we have an editor? I hope so. Yep, we still have one. So that's a mirror list for ArcoLinux, that's cool. And the hooks is a mirror upgrade thing. Okay, so it's all good. Anything else I should do? Well, the last thing is your home folder, right? So this is not from, well, this one can go. The config is our config. It needs to go. Bin is our bin, needs to go. That needs to go, needs to go. Well, cache can go as well, but it's staying there for a bit. This is from us, needs to go. So the packages, if we remove a package, it's not removed from your home directory. We never touch anything in your home directory unless you give us permission in some kind of app. But otherwise, it's always gonna stay here. It's always gonna pollute things a little bit because of the fact that we don't touch your system. But you can actually be more aggressive since this is a virtual box anyway. So I can say yes to all, and sometimes it says I can't remove this, and I think it's the trash that doesn't like you to touch the trash, you see. That's the one. So from time to time I do this myself. The .config is gone. Cache, well, you can delete parts of it. It's only that one, so that's no problem. Cache stays in, that's cool. All the bash things, these guys, I'm just gonna remove everything. Not sure if I could have removed X authority I just saw, but it's a virtual box. You see together with me what's gonna happen, and we learn from it, right? Empty trash. So cache here, GNU-PG, I think that can go as well. It's empty anyway. Mozilla is for Firefox. Who cares? We'll see. PKI was this thing. Key, okay, whatever. Bye, you are. And then these are all empty folders. Since this is a virtual box, it is super empty. Now everything will pop up, back up. I will be coming back. I mean, the cache will be back, bash RC will be there, and so on when we reboot. And things will look differently, and that's the point of the video. These icons are really strange. Log out. Restart. And see what the result is. That's normal, so Vimix, it still thinks Vimix is in there. That's not that normal, actually. So the Grub, we need to update the Grub. We need to do that. All right, that's what I wanted to achieve. And look from XFCE. This is ArcoLinux, how XFCE looks, with a little panel on at the bottom here. It's not blank, it's a panel for XFCE. Icons up here, name up there. It's all the way it should be, right? Again, I lost my settings of appearance, so let's make that a bit nicer. breeze or breeze dark. I think we better take breeze here. Close. I do have another icon for my touchpad, keyboard, mouse and touchpad. Themes, breeze light. Got it. Wallpaper is rubbish. Desktop settings, wallpaper for my desktop, nothing's popping up. So, backgrounds, nope, nothing happening. Other, yeah, we deleted the ArcoLinux backgrounds. Ah, they're still here. How's that possible? How is that possible? There are strange things happening. There are strange things happening. Oh, that's why. Now, after rebooting, we still have some stuff to remove. So the ArcoLinux polybar, here it starts. So I did have some stuff. That's why etc scal was still so filled with all kinds of stuff. But you won't see it. I mean, if you would, there is no repo anymore for ArcoLinux, meaning it won't be updated anymore. So if you don't do a scal and you don't have a scal because the bash RC is gone, so then no problem. And so on and so on. You can go ahead and use a slider in the YouTube video. I just need to get everything out. Officially out. And then we reboot. I won't have my wallpaper anymore. When I do this, wallpapers by variety was not installed, but the configuration files are now gone. Tin 2, that's for open box. Open box is not gonna work. Out. Minus remove. ArcoLinux. What? Slim. We're not gonna be able to look up our screen anymore. Minus not as remove. The slim lock themes then, how it looks. These guys, let's take that one. Last one is out. Welcome app is out. What else? Termite themes, you're out. System config, you're out. And then I sound like an old Chinese girl, or woman actually. And then what video, what film is that again? Dude, where's my car? I don't know. Another one, I think. One of the classics. Are we there yet? Another video. So, Peter Pacman, minus R. What else? No. Arco things. The rest you keep off, right? Arch. Yes, we keep off. It's time to do a sudo reboot. And then we're gonna look at our root, because we've deleted so many things. We're gonna have a look. What is an ArcoLinux? We still need to fix that one, that's true. So Vimix is not found, okay. So we need to type update grub, but update grub does not exist. I need to go to my other screen, alias, update grub, what was this again? Yep, that's the code. So F12, not gonna work, Control T, aha, you're working. And then we have the command, yes, sudo is correct, sudo grub make config file, and the output is inside boot, and then grub, no, yes, grub .cfg. All right, because Vmix is not there anymore, so the pacman minus remove, nothing is there because all Arco stuff is gone. Fine. Let's see if this fixed our grub thing, and then we go watch. All right, grub is fixed. Vmix has been deleted, and we needed to update the grub. All interesting things, all things you should know after a while. After watching many videos, you'll know a lot about your operating system. All right, so home. What happened in my home? I deleted so many things. Well, here they are back. I've got this one, that one, X authority is back. Bash. There is no bash RC. So the bash RC is not available. I wonder if I install bash again. Okay. And Scala is not going to work. Alias doesn't work. I wonder if I do a sudo reboot, if he now is going to put a bash RC in my home directory. I think he is. And explain why that is. Boot. Come on. Super shift enter. Not gonna work. Why do all my keyboard shortcuts not work? Strange. So no, it's not gonna do it. So I've learned something in the process. What's interesting for you to know, well, etc scal you know already. Everything we put in here is going to go to your system. So bash RC application bash RC that I just installed something, all right, but it's super small, and I'm not really helped with that particular bash RC. All right, so it's here. If I do a scal, which I don't have, copy paste, then I have it also. Another important folder you should check out is etcxdg. So I was assuming he would put it in the users directory. It's not the case. Okay, so we know something more. So auto start, that's an interesting one. Things that can be auto started are in there. I still have an open box in here. So I haven't deleted open box or i3 or anything like it. So I could still go to i3 maybe, but the i3 UC is not going to be the i3 that normal users have. So Ctrl-Alt-T from ArcoLinux, I mean them. So the pacman minus si3 caps, I think it's called. So that's still installed. I'm just making sure that it is installed, and then it has a i3 config somewhere. Where is that? Well, having PAMIC AUR could help, but it's gonna be in here somewhere. And I wondered, is this an XGG somewhere? No, it's not in here. One level up, i3. Here's i3, here's a config, and the config key codes, whatever that is. Let's open it up. Learned again something. So that's the config we use. We need this guy to be in our system. And here's the config wizard that it's trying to install. So ArcoLinux has its own i3, right? Its own config, and it's much longer. And this one has lots of information, lots of extra keyboard shortcuts, and so on. But if I wanted to launch i3, I need to have this guy in my own system. So let's take both of them. Well, actually, I can actually take i3, so I have the folder as well. I don't need to create a folder then. In the config, Control V, and have a look. So log out, and getting out of i3 is gonna be difficult. Right, with LightDM is still gonna be there, but what's not there, it's our nice little theme. It's not there. So let's give him something to show us. So LightDM is installed. Just show you, haven't done anything there, but it relies on the LightDM, and then you have just press tab a few times, right? And then it relies on GTK greeter, DM GTK greeter, and also the one for his settings. That's just a GUI, you don't need it. I rarely install it when I'm testing, right? But you need to have this guy. SuperX is not going to work, so I'm going to log out manually with all kind of buttons. And this is your LightDM greeter. And here I can say, let's go and have a look at i3. I just hope I can get out of it again. Probably can't. So this is i3, guys. This watch that you see, this small line under there is probably too small to see. On your video, it says no battery. There are some numbers under here, 1002.15, which is not correct. Yes, it might be correct. VirtualBox, right? And then some gigabytes free, probably. The load of the CPU. The amount of memory, maybe 291.6 megabyte. And it says 5.5 gigabyte. The time. Right, but right mouse click, not gonna work. Control T, Super Shift Enter. I don't know what kind of keyboard shortcut is in the standard config, and we are screwed. We can't get out of it. Now this is a VirtualBox, so I don't care very much. What you can do always is Control Alt R, resetting, just rebooting VirtualBox and going back in. So this is enough toys. Again, I'm in the thing here. So if I wanted to really get back to XFC in my machine, I go to TTY, right? By the way, that was right control F2 or F3 and so on VirtualBox. In Real Metal, Control Alt F1 F2. Okay, and then you go inside, and what is he doing is trying to boot up into i3. What if I tell the system to nano etc lightdm.conf and say to the system, forget about i3, I want to auto login as user. It says Eric here, an auto login session, XFC please. Control X, yes, enter. Error writing, did I forget the sudo? I often do. Yep. Again, same work all over again. So, auto login Eric is okay, auto login session. I would prefer to boot up with XFC if you don't mind, really. Okay, and then you log out again. And in my case, it's gonna be Control R, reset, redo, reboot in VirtualBox. You see, it's always possible to do things like that. And this is gonna be your ArcoLinux look. This is everything out, everything is cleaned out, and you have now a not so lovely look, but hey, everybody has his own tastes, his own preferences, but it was just fun for me to do. And now you know, this is an ArcoLinux XFC OpenBox i3 stripped of everything ArcoLinux related. All right, cheers.